What's good, everybody? So these are the new full face sunglasses. Now these come in different colors. This is just a regular pair that are silver dark. Now depending on the how long your face is, you will get beyond your chin. In my case, clearly I have a bigger head, so you don't, but it does essentially prevent your mouth from spitting out. The full cover face visor protective glasses have a mirror finish. They are anti-fog. However, if you're breathing very heavily, you're going to get a little bit of a fog at the very bottom of the glasses. It's not going to reach to the very top and impair your eyesight. It has a UV 400 lens to protect you from all the UV. The inside are made of plastic. The inside has a raised nose, which is not going to press on your face. So you can very easily snowboard, snowmobile with this without worrying that it's actually going to fall off. And you're definitely going to get noticed wearing these, whether it's the summer or the winter. And this is why these glasses were made. These were made during the COVID, the pandemic. But a lot of people are using these for snowboarding and things of that nature. It does fog up a little as you're speaking, but it does not go beyond here. So you can still have a full line of sight. And they look kind of neat, if I may say so myself.
Your destination is on the right.
That's the video. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.